At industrialgearbox.net, we repair all types of gearboxes, including specialized units like this Eberhardt Denver worm gear reducer. These compact, high-ratio gearboxes are essential for many right-angle power transmission applications. Our repair process begins with a complete teardown and inspection. We carefully examine the worm gear and its meshing surfaces for wear and damage, which are critical to the gearbox's efficiency and performance. After cleaning the housing and every component, we rebuild the unit with new bearings and a fresh set of gears to ensure it operates like new. The finished gearbox is now ready to be shipped back to the customer, fully restored and ready to handle the demands of its application. For expert repair and service on any industrial gearbox, trust the professionals at industrialgearbox.net. Contact us today, industrialgearbox.net.